A single human sneeze can release up to 100,000 droplets, traveling at frightening speeds that spray across a crowded room. These droplets can ride on unpredictable air currents, turning a quick sneeze into a miniature wildfire of germs that lingers. In a landmark study, researchers showed droplets can travel up to 6 meters from a sneeze. That tiny moment reshapes how we wear masks and how modern buildings ventilate spaces to keep air clean and safe. So next time a sneeze sneaks up, remember the invisible reach of a single breath and protect others.